Once they get back to the motel, it got that motel BBL smell still in here. Well, it turns out the old man, it looks like he's sick or something because he starts coughing. So this whole plan for the $500, it doesn't go according to plan. So they end up cutting this thing short, and there's no dancing or anything going on. Thank the Lord, because this old man needs to get home. He's coughing up a damn lung. But since he can't drive, he tells Kimmie, "I need you to drive me home." Because he asked, was she going to rob him? She said no, but the other strippers would.